So if you still don't know how to color grade your video, do not worry, I got to take my video from looking like this to this together. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about color grading your video, all the features you need to know, both the filter and how to sharpen your video to look crispy. You know, nowadays people don't just watch video because they want to watch video. At times, just because how clean a video is looking can just make someone to just stop and just start watching the because of how clean the video is looking. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So let's get into the tutorial. So for this tutorial, you're going to open your CapCut app. Now when you go to your CapCut, this is what the interface looks like. When you go to CapCut, you will now have to import the video that you want to color grade. Now you need to import the video. Click on new video, then you click on the video you want to import. This is the video I want to color grade, so I'm just going to click on it and click on add. Now this is it. You can see this is the raw footage. So there's nothing has been done. Like, this is the raw footage of this video. The video looks like. Now if you want to color grade your video, we are going to come here. These are the features you should be looking at. You're going to come here to this adjust. You have to click on adjust. You're going to come here, click adjust, then you have to click on adjust. Now these are features here. We have the brightness, the contrast, the sharpening, and all. So firstly, I'm going to come here to brighten up my video. Now I'm going to brighten it up. You just have to play around with it. For brightening, I'm just going to increase it a little bit because I don't want this video to look too shouting. Because now if I increase it like this is what's going to give us. If I reduce it, it's going to go. So I have to increase the brightness. I don't want it to be too shouty, so a bit is okay. Then I click on apply to all because I don't want any mistake. Next, we're going to be going to this contrast. Then I will now increase it. If you want to reduce it, this is what's going to give you. If you increase it too much, this is what it's going to look like. So whenever you want to color grade your video, play around with it and know what works for you, please. Now this is it. I'm going to increase it a little bit and click apply to all. Then I'll go to saturation. It adds color to your video. Let me show you. Now this is it. You can see it's adding color to my face, to the video entirely. If I reduce it, you can see the difference. If I'm to increase it too much, you will see the difference too. So I'm going to increase it a little bit and click apply to all. Then I'm going to go to balances and increase it a little bit. This is it. Play around with it, sharpen your video. When you come to this sharpening, please do not sharpen it to the end. It's not nice. You can see from the video you're already seeing it, so just a little bit is okay. Clarity a little bit is okay. Play around with this. Then when it comes to this HSL, I don't even like using it at all in any of my video at all. Now this is, you use it to play around for the color. Let's say, okay, in this video you can see I'm putting on a blue top. I'm not going to click on the color blue because that's what I want to work with. You can see the difference. You can see that the only color this HSL is affecting is the color that I clicked on because I'm putting on a blue cloth. Now if I increase it, you can see. Do you understand? But I don't just like using it at all, or at least use it for this video. Now if I click the saturation, you can see. If I should increase it, if I should go for the lightness, you guys can see the difference, right? Good. Now, hold on. We're going to go to highlights. This graph, I don't even like using it at all. It doesn't go well with my videos, or maybe because I don't put much interest in it, that's why I don't even like it. Next is highlights. If you reduce your highlights, this is what's going to give you. If you increase it, this is what's going to give you. So I'm going to reduce it. That's why I said play around with it to know the one that suits your video. Now you go to shadows and you reduce it. If you want to increase it, it's fine. Me, I love reducing my shadow. Then for white, if you increase it high, this is what it's going to give me. So I always love to decrease the white when it comes to color grading my video. So apply to all black. I'm going to reduce it because if I increase it, this is what is giving to me. So you just have to reduce it. You can see my video is coming up. Then the temperature, if you increase it, if you reduce it, I love reducing my temperature. Then I will reduce this too. If you increase it, this is what is giving you. If you reduce it, this is what is giving you. Now you can see this fade, I don't even like using because this is it. It's not nice at all. At all. So I don't even like using it. So now another feature again I want to show you when you want to color grade your video that most people forget to even use is filter. Is these filters? I feel like about this. A lot of people don't know about this because there are many filters. It can change the mood of your video and everything. Now, let's say, let me give you a little trick. Let me give you a little trick that you people don't know about. Let me just help you and give you a little trick when it comes to this filter. If you want a blurry background, you will come here and search for bokeh. You will search for it and click it. Hold on, it's loading, it's network. You will search for it and apply it to your video. Then you will see how your background becomes blurry. You can see how my background became blurry. You can see how my background became blurry. You can see it, right? Very good. Now, if your video is looking washed out or your video is not clear, you come here and search for clear. Come here and search for clear and use this clear too. You can see if it's looking washed out, you add color to it. Then when you come here and click any filter of your choice, ensure that you play around with it. You can reduce the volume or you can increase it. See, when I increase mine, you can see the color it's giving my skin and I don't like this color at all. So I have to reduce it. You can see, right? Good. Now when, for example, you want to add more sharpness to your video because it's not clear, you will now come here and search for 8K. Before I used to use 4K, but I don't know why I can't find 4K again. You can now use 8K. 8K will add sharpness to your video. You can see how sharp my video is, right? Very good. So this is it. So you just come here, play around with this filter. Seriously, play around with this filter and trust me, you are going to love it. See, if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see more videos like this from me, then please do well to like and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I have a lot to bring to the channel. So this is how I always color grade my videos. So if you love things like this or if you want to learn how to edit more, do well to follow this channel.